Hello, today we are going to make a phone holder using the Fusion360 software. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing we do is we will create a sketch by clicking this button, and we will use the front face or this face. It's the same here. Alright, and then you can use the control key and the middle mouse button to pan it around. Okay, so first we will draw a line up, going up for 4.25 inches, and then one line going across for 0.8 inches. You can type in the number and get enter, and then we are going down a slope, and the line should be at, let me see, maybe 70 degree or even 80 degree. Okay, 80 degree. Yes, and next step, this point is undefined, so we can just like that, and that should be 0.55 inches. The next one going up should be 0.75 inches. Another one, let's say just a quartering of an inch. And we should go down, and by touching there we can see. Alright, it is vertical. And let's see what is moving up here. Oh, okay. So apparently that is not defined. In using define this. Oh no. Alright, you can define this as 3.75 inches. Okay, then as you can see, I cannot move it anymore. So this is what we call a fully defined sketch. Alright, we'll finish off the sketch. Next thing is to extrude. So make a sketch from a surface into a solid. Do however long you like, but I would recommend 3 inches for a normal phone nowadays. Okay, so the body now is done. Next what we will do is do some fillets. Alright, just the part that you want to fillet. I recommend the front part don't get a fillet. Just like this. Alright, you can just keep clicking until you want. Let's keep it 0.1 inches fillet. Alright, next thing we'll do is call another new sketch on the same surface. This time we will do an offset. So look at that. Ooh. So we can print less of it out. Let's do a 0.15 inches. So the wall thickness will be 0.15 inches. And just cut it all using the extrude tool. Alright, and our phone holder is done. Thank you.